Hey, it's Noor from the Sunset development team again, and this is the second episode on the Lunar Goose client tutorial. So today we're going to be making an SDK and some modules. So SDK. Okay, let's make something called Minecraft and another one, CPP file this time. So you're gonna have a header file and a CPP file. Okay, in there. And in the header file, you have to include java.h. So let's make a class C Minecraft public J class get class J object get instance. Yep, that should be fine. So first of all, let's just go in here, C Minecraft get class. Oh wait, no, it's get class. Okay. First of all, actually, we need to make the function to. So here we get all of the classes in here, right? We put them all in this unordered map, but there's no way to get them, right? So J class get class, and then just do SAD string class name. Alright, so now this is just gonna, return the class, you know? So if classes dot contains class name, return classes dot at name. Oh yeah, class name. Return null. Alright, so basically what this is gonna do, if the class is there, it's gonna return that class. But if that doesn't happen, then it's just gonna return null. Alright, so now that we've done that, we can do lc and get class, and let's go into MCP mappings viewer and go here. So net client, and let's switch out the slashes for dots. Dot Minecraft. Alright. So, and let's actually just return this. Okay, and now they're getting the instance. No, it's not a void, it's a G object. C Minecraft get instance. Alright, so for this we're gonna have to get a field ID. LC env static field ID. I think it's a static field ID. And then we're gonna do, yeah, okay, so what we're gonna do first is get J class MC class class equals this get class name. Okay, so it's gonna be get, I think, wait, the Minecraft, yeah. And the signature is a class signature. It's L net. It says this, right? So we can just copy this / Minecraft, and then you add a semicolon at the end. All right, so now let's go lc j object art return equals lc env get field object, and then Minecraft class, and then the field. So, oh yeah, gonna have to J field ID get Minecraft. And if you're wondering, well, we're not just returning this instantly. We're gonna delete the instance of Minecraft class. Alright, so return bots. You do lc env delete local ref Minecraft class. There we go. Alright, so now we have the Minecraft instance. Let's make a world class. world and world. Actually, let's make a player class first. Player. Let's make player first. All right, so we're gonna make a function in here that's gonna return a player, right? So we're gonna make a player class first. Class C player. And okay, what we're gonna have to do is make C player and JObject instance. Oh yeah, I forgot. So first of all, we need to set public, and we also need to include java.h. But as we're going to be including that in here, we don't need to include it in there anymore because we don't want to double include. Alright, and then I'm going to private JObject JObject instance, and let's do this JObject player instance. Alright. Okay, so include C player JObject instance. This player instance equals instance. There we go. So this is gonna mean we can set the player to an instance. Let's make a function then. So if we go here and we set up entity, we're going to be able to find all the fields we need. So here it is. It's PK is the obfuscated one. I can find it. There we go. So here's all of the stuff we would need. Some other classes as well, but it's the main one. Alright, so what we're going to do is go back to the Minecraft class and get the player. The local player, actually. Alright, so the player is H. So what we're going to do is C player and get player. It's going to get our local player. So it's going to get local player. Alright. Actually, yeah, just copy all of it. There we go. And let's do C Minecraft. Get local player. And now let's just go. Yeah, let's do it. So first we're gonna have to just J class Minecraft class equals this class. And then now let's do jfield ID get player equals, and this is not a static one, get field ID Minecraft class, and it is the player. Lunar uses deobfuscated mappings, so, and I'm pretty sure it's player SP or player. Let's find out what it is. Let's look. I don't know. I do not know it off by heart. Ooh. All right. Well, let's just do. Okay. Let's just do entity player SP. So lnet Minecraft client entity player SP, and then that. So the actual class is this, right? But you is this, but you gotta add an L and then the semicolon at the end, right? But if it's a method, then you add brackets on there. But if it's a field, then you don't. All right. So let's do JObject return equals LC env get object field. Oh yeah, we need the, so it's going to be the Minecraft object J of object Minecraft object equals this instance, get instance. Minecraft object get, oh, not get plier. We're gonna get player, there we go. Alright, so now we're gonna do return, but same thing as last time, we're gonna delete the references of these ones over here. So we copy this and put it and change it to Minecraft object. Alright, so this is gonna get our local player. So it's gonna return this. Right, oh gosh, what's happened here? Alright. Actually no, so let's just do a J object. So C player return. This is what we need to return. C player return. Alright, so it's gonna do this and input. This is the instance that it inputs. Right, so now this player instance is that. Right, and I'm gonna do void cleanup and void C player cleanup. Delete, yeah, lc env delete local ref this player instance. Alright, now I need to reset the window real quick because it's remove this for some reason. Alright, so now we can actually just do some basic stuff. So let's get the health. So let's go entity. Okay, let's try to find it. It's PK. PK is the one we want to look at. PK. There we go. Alright, so it's a method, I think, the health. Okay. So as you can see, there's like literally a lot of stuff in here. Alright, well I think the health is in a different class. It's like living entity base or something. So let's just do it's sneaking. Let's check if they're sneaking. So I'm gonna do bull is sneaking. Okay, so void C player is sneaking. Oh yeah, it's boolean, but we're not setting it. Alright. C player is sneaking. Okay, so we're gonna do lc. Wait, j method id is sneaking equals lc env get boolean method. No method. Yeah, no, it's a get method ID. You get that first. Okay, so we also need to get the class first. So let's like get the class. So what's it called? J class get class. Get J class C player get class. Okay, so now let's do return lc get class, and let's do net dot client. Wait, let's see where this is. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, and let's replace all the slashes for dots. Okay. This get class. Entity class. And then it is. see what its sneaking is again. Already lost it. It's sneaking, and I think it's yeah. There we go. That's his signature. Alright, so return LC env. Wait, no. Bool return equals LC env. Call boolean method this player instance, and then it's sneaking. And then let's delete the LC env. Delete. Oh, not global. Local ref entity class, and then return. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, let's make it like a instance of C Minecraft. So should we do it? Not exactly sure where to. So if you go in here, you can just make fresh one, right? But just of Minecraft. So alright, we need to include the class first. So include SDK Minecraft.h, and you're not gonna have to include Java anymore because it's already included in here. Okay. Get local player. Dot is sneaking. Alright, see if this works. Alright, let's just don't have to put inline. Alright, wait, so what we're gonna do, actually I realized that you're not meant to delete the classes, alright? So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go here. And instead of that, just do this. There we go. So now everything should be working fine once we don't delete them. Alright, so let's go in here. Actually, first we can just go back straight to this. The dot is sneaking. Let's go to that function. Yeah, alright, should be fun. Okay, let's go to my man. Yeah, okay, so you see 0, that's false, true. You see, I'm sneaking now, this is 1. Alright, so as you can see, that method works. Oh, okay, sticky keys came out. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, if I press end, see, everything's attached, and I can recompile, as you can see. So we have a working entity class and everything. So just remember not to delete the local references of the classes. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is make velocity. So I did this in one of my last episodes, and it's just easy and simple. So let's do it. Alright, so now let's make the get motion x function. So double get motion x, get motion y, get motion z. The reason they're like x, y, z is because, well, that's how Minecraft's coordinate system works. So void set motion double x, double y, double z. Alright, there we go. So now let's go over here. Alright, now let's go over here and let's do double C player get motion x, return 0. Alright, okay, so let's do jfield id motion x equals lc env get field id, this get class, and then the name is motion x. The signature is D, because capital D, because it's a double. lc env get double field. This player instance, and then motion x. Let's make 3 instances of this then, and just change everything for different ones. So motion y and motion z. Okay, void c player set motion. Ah yeah, and let's go in here and copy this, because I don't really want to type it out each time. Alright, so let's just get all these, alright, and put them here. As I said, we're going to make a straight class handler next episode. Set double field. This player instance, motion x. Okay, and let's copy this 3 times. Y, z. Alright, we also need to get the hurt resistant time. Right, so int get hurt resistant time. Int c player hurt resistant time. Okay. J. Okay, we need to find out what it is first. So this is gonna make sure. So this is if you've been hit or not, or like if you've taken damage, right? So it's a resistant time. So we're gonna be checking if this is anything but 0, that means you've been hit. So this is what we're gonna do. Hurt resistant time. J field ID hurt resistant time equals lc env get int field this. Oh no. Get field ID. Oh my gosh. Get field ID. This get class. Also, why is it called why is it asking for an object? Alright, so return lc env get int field this player instance hurt resistant time. There we go. So now let's just add it in here. Where we go, DLL main. So first of all, let's comment this out, and if get local player dot get hurt resistant time 0. Yeah, it's a function. There we go. Then this double motion x equals actually what we can do is just make C player local equals, there we go. We're gonna do local dot get motion x. Oh. Okay, if we copy this, y z motion x times equals 0.4 motion y times equals 0.4. Okay, basically what we're doing here is when we're hit, we're gonna be like changing the, what's it called, the velocity of the player, right? The motion, right? So motion z times equals 0.4. You don't have to do 0.4, just anything between 0 and 1. Alright, so local dot set motion x, motion y, motion z. There we go. So let's go in game, and let's actually go in a world where we can test velocity. Alright, so basically let's just test it in here. Alright, so let's get a zombie. Alright, now let's inject. Set game mode 0. Alright, so when this zombie hits me, my velocity is going to reduce. You see? I'm barely moving. Right, so if he's going to hit me again, you see, I'm barely moving. And when that tick count goes down, see how we'll move fine again. What you can do, you can also add a delay. You can add a delay, and you can get the max time and everything, so you can just literally do everything you want with this. Alright, so this is the end of this episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you in improving.